This is not a farm. This is a fortress of craftsmanship, where nature's most powerful material meets the world's most advanced technology. They arrive from across the country, the most prized Brahman bulls, selected for one purpose: to become the world's most luxurious accessories. Every animal is examined with surgical precision. Only the strongest, healthiest, most exceptional specimens are selected.
Easy, boy. Keep moving. The white Brahman bull is a living treasure. Its horn is dense, strong, and uniquely beautiful.
This is where raw power meets precision engineering. The journey from horn to luxury begins here. Step inside the world's most advanced luxury horn facility, a pristine, climate-controlled glass sanctuary where raw material meets cutting-edge technology. The bulls enter a climate-controlled sanctuary where every detail, from temperature to lighting, is optimized for their well-being. This is not a traditional barn. It is a luxury sanctuary, a space where the animals are treated with the utmost care and respect. Automated feeding systems deliver carefully calibrated nutrition, ensuring the bulls remain healthy and their horns reach optimal density. Purified, temperature-controlled water gently cleanses the animals, preparing their horns for the delicate extraction process.
In the monitoring bay, advanced biometric scanners assess every vital sign: heart rate, temperature.
A laser scanner creates a precise 3D map of the horn, analyzing its density, grain structure, and structural integrity at a microscopic level. With the biometric data confirmed, the bull is approved. It will now move to the extraction phase, the first step toward becoming a luxury accessory. The extraction phase is delicate, a controlled, humane process that preserves the horn's natural beauty. The horn is gently removed, preserving every layer of its natural structure. No detail is overlooked. The extraction is flawless. Inside the thermal chamber, the horn begins its transformation. Controlled heat and pressure soften its dense structure, preparing it for shaping.
The heat penetrates the horn's dense protein structure, softening it from the inside out. The natural fibers begin to relax and expand.
Multiple horns undergo thermal conditioning in synchronized cycles. Each chamber is precisely controlled, ensuring consistent, repeatable results.
After multiple cycles, the horn emerges transformed, softened, conditioned, and ready for the precise hands of the artisan.
The horn is now soft enough to be shaped, yet strong enough to hold its form. It is ready for the next phase: precision carving and shaping.
The conditioned horn enters the precision carving section, where advanced CNC machines and skilled artisans work in.
Using a diamond-tipped rotary tool, the machine carves the horn into precise, elegant curves, each cut a deliberate step toward luxury. Each horn is carved into multiple components, some for backpacks, others for iPhone cases. Every piece is precision machined to exact specifications.
Each iPhone case back is inspected for uniformity and finish. It must be flawless, every curve, every edge, every surface.
The carved components are now ready for the next phase: integration with premium leather and final assemble into luxury products.
Premium full-grain leather arrives from the world's finest tanneries, each hide selected for its texture, durability, and natural beauty. Every hide is inspected for imperfections. Only the highest quality leather proceeds to the cutting and stitching phase. The leather is laser cut with surgical precision. Intricate patterns are traced and cut in seconds, optimizing material usage. The laser moves with micron-level precision, cutting intricate shapes that will form the body of the luxury backpacks and iPhone cases.
The leather components are now ready for assembly. Each piece is matched to its corresponding horn component.
The carved horn components and laser-cut leather panels move to the integration station. This is where the material's final measurements. The horn iPhone case back is carefully aligned with the leather backing. Precision is everything. A specialized adhesive bonds the horn to the leather, creating a permanent, invisible union that will withstand years of use. A precision pneumatic press applies even pressure, curing the adhesive instantly and creating a seamless union between materials.
The bond is perfect. The horn and leather are now one, a seamless union of natural materials, ready for final finishing. Heavy-duty stitching locks the leather panels together, creating a durable, flexible structure that will support the horn frame.
Every stitch is executed with precision. The thread is thick, durable, and perfectly tensioned, ensuring the structure is as strong as it is elegant.
Every stitch is inspected for tension and uniformity.
A single flaw could compromise the strength and beauty of the final product. The leather edges are burnished to a smooth, glassy finish, sealing the fibers and creating a clean, professional edge where the horn meets the leather.
Straps, buckles, and hardware are now attached, bringing the backpacks and iPhone cases to their final form. The final products enter the quality control zone, where every detail is examined under bright inspection lights. Every seam, every stitch, every surface is inspected. A single flaw would be detected and corrected before the product moves forward.
A final polish brings out the horn's natural warmth, highlighting its deep, organic grain and preparing it for its grand reveal.
The iPhone case is inspected with equal care. Every edge is smooth. Every detail is flawless.
The products are now complete. Every detail has been inspected. Every surface has been polished. They are ready for the world to see.
Finally, the completed products are revealed. A luxury backpack and iPhone case that embody the journey, from raw horn and leather to refined, functional art.
The horn frame is seamlessly integrated into the leather body, creating a stunning visual and structural harmony.
Every detail is a testament to the craftsmanship. The engraved hardware, the polished finish, the seamless construction.
This is the result of precision, artistry, and passion.
From the factory floor to the world stage, each product carries with it the story of its creation, from horn to luxury.
Every detail is appreciated by the discerning customer. The natural grain, the polished finish, the seamless construction, each element tells a story. The cycle continues. New bulls arrive, new horns are harvested, and new products are crafted. For the craftsman, this is not just a product. It is a testament to skill, patience, and dedication.
The finished products take their place in the world, featured in luxury publications, admired by discerning customers worldwide.
The journey continues beyond the factory walls. Each product travels across the country and around the world, carrying the legacy of white Brahman craftsmanship.
The work is never truly finished. Tomorrow, a new horn will be harvested, a new leather panel will be.
The factory is quiet, but its work echoes across the world. Each product carries the spirit.
From the factory floor to the world stage, each product carries with it the story of its creation, from horn to luxury. Every detail is appreciated by the discerning customer. The natural grain, the polished finish, the seamless construction, each element tells a story.
The cycle continues. New bulls arrive, new horns are harvested, and new products are crafted. For the craftsman, this is not just a product. It is a testament to skill, patience, and dedication. The finished products begin their journey to customers around the world. Each piece carries the legacy of the Brahman bull and the skill of the artisan. Every product receives the final stamp of approval, a mark of authenticity, quality, and pride. It is ready to be discovered by its new owner. The work is never truly finished. Tomorrow, a new horn will be harvested, a new leather panel will be cut. The factory is quiet, but its work echoes across the world. Each product carries the spirit of the Brahman, the skill of the art.
This is the result of a journey, from raw horn to refined luxury.
The grain of the horn tells a story. Each curve, each layer, each subtle variation is a reminder.
Every detail has been considered. Every surface has been polished. Every product is a reflection of the skill and pride that went into its creation.
The factory rests. The bull grazes. The craft endures. The legacy of the Brahman horn continues.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Educational content generated entirely using AI tools, scripting, voice, design, and animations are original AI creations powered by Google AI Studio and VO3. No copyright content or footage has been used, designed for informative purposes only. All videos are AI simulated and not intended to represent real footage.